Hello and welcome back to the LFC Ahmedabad podcast. I am Vatsal, joined by Meet and Roshan. The only important change that matters today है कि आज मैं लंदन से बात नहीं कर रहा हूँ. मैं अपने घर, अपने वतन वापस आ चुका हूँ. So that's a good thing, I guess. मैं बड़ौदा से बात कर रहा हूँ आज. And Meet, Roshan कैसे हो? It's been a
और
long
बढ़िया
time.
यार,
बहुत टाइम हो
बढ़िया।
गया।
गेम वीक 18 अच्छा था, गेम वीक 19 बेकार गया।
हाँ, वो
हाँ
डबल
यार,
गेम वीक के चक्कर में
बहुत लोचे हो गए।
बहुत डूबा हूँ मैं।
अरे फ्री हिट से भी डूबे हैं और एक्चुअल डबल वीक वाले गेम वीक में भी गए मैं साला के वजह से।
I
मैं
think
भी
it's
साल
best
की वजह से ही
we don't talk about our team. Move ahead.
चलो,
So today the format of this podcast is the same as before. The first video will be about the queries which our viewers send us regarding fantasy, and the second video will be our predictions, and we'll talk about a game here and there in the next video. So please stay tuned. And as we start with the queries, and yeah, so we have a couple of queries here today. And first one is from myself. Based on Liverpool's form, I am asking, is it time to give up on Salah because he's blocking a lot of money? What about you? What are the thoughts?
ये तेरा क्वेश्चन थोड़ा गलत टाइम पे आया क्योंकि मैन यूनाइटेड मैच के बाद I still have faith in him. He just needed some goals and he got two, दोनों amazing finish. So I'm pretty sure कि ऐसे प्लेयर्स के साथ persist करने में प्रॉब्लम नहीं है क्योंकि the overall return from them is really good. और अभी after KDB's injury, क्या बोलते हैं, अपना बजट भी थोड़ा ढीला हो जाएगा. So I think साला को you should keep. I don't think निकालने का कोई reason.
I think I agree with Roshan 100%.
I guess ये मैंने क्वेश्चन भले मैंने यूनाइटेड की गेम से पहले रखा था, बट डू यू गाइस स्टिल फील कि 2 गोल से वो वापस उसका कॉन्फिडेंस वापस आ जाएगा? मतलब
I think he's fair only. I think he didn't have any issues. Liverpool as a whole was struggling.
Yeah.
So,
सर्विस नहीं था and अभी the first goal फिर्मिनो का पास, after a while उसने ऐसा लाइन ब्रेकिंग पास किया है जो हम लोग नहीं कर रहे थे. हम लोग काफी क्रॉसिंग डिपेंडेंट थे, हर बार क्रॉस and the first time we broke a defense line हमने गोल स्कोर किया. So you could see if we play centrally, more chances will be created and Salah will score.
So maybe I guess even the fixture is a bit tricky. We are playing Spurs away, I guess. So that was one of the reasons why I asked the question prior to the United game. But
tricky in this way, like in tricky sense में कि Spurs will play the same way United played in FA Cup. Like they'll play on counter. They'll sit back, and then that one time the ball breaks, say Kane and Son will run at you, probably Mora as well. So in that sense, पता नहीं, but it will be a good game. I don't say कि Liverpool जीतेगा या हारेगा. The only thing I'm gonna say is कि Salah might score.
So probably I think the answer to this question is yes, keep him, right?
Yes.
So the next question comes from one of our most loved fan, Mr. Setu. Hi, if you're watching. He is asking, is it right time to invest in the Manchester City attack or defense?
I think defensively you at least need one defender. और usually मैं defense double up का advice नहीं करता. But looking at City defense this season, it won't be a bad idea to double up on City defense.
So I remember someone from our league. I don't remember who it was. Maybe it was you, Meet, or not sure. Someone had Ruben Diaz and John Stones in their defense. And that was a double game week. Yeah, they earned a lot of points.
John Stones ne, I mean,
I think someone might have him.
Yeah.
I don't know who had it, but I think City double up is a good idea.
Maybe
they look a good defensive unit.
But even after Laporte's coming back, do you think who to like
I think उसमें रिस्क तो है कि रूबेन डियास सारे खेलेगा.
correct. Ruben Dias पक्का खेलेगा, but then the second one is obviously one
yes,
thing.
वो थोड़ा tricky है. But first choice is John Stones, तो मतलब you can expect कि majority John Stones खेलेगा. But yes, you are right कि he could be rotated for an odd match also.
And what's all about your forwards question? City always rotates its forwards. So and they have very FPL wise they have very expensive forwards. So keeping a forward who is 9 and who gets rotated is I don't think that's a good idea.
Taking that question forward, we have one of the questions regarding the replacement for Kevin De Bruyne. Is it Gundogan, Sterling, or Foden? I guess we could connect those two questions and talk about Man City's attack as well.
So I have taken Gundogan.
Okay.
Because I want to take Kane.
Makes sense.
So thinking behind taking Kane is pretty simple. Until game week 18, what I observed is Vardy return has fluctuated, Kevin De Bruyne return has fluctuated, but Son and Kane has given stable return.
Okay.
So I had option to switch to either Sterling or Foden, but City have scored very less this time. I think in the top 6 they have the least goals.
Okay.
But in the top 6 they have kept most clean sheets.
All right.
So I think what I decided that I don't want to spend much on the City attack, and Gundogan looks in good form, so I have gone with Gundogan.
Meet, you would be very surprised to know whom I have replaced De Bruyne with. Can you make a guess?
Bruno.
Yep.
Finally
he's in my team.
Good. I think you will reap the benefits of it.
I don't think now I have any scope of removing him.
I think you will. Now you have gone past that mental block.
Yes, I guess.
So we have one more person to bring him on the other side.
Because anyway, let's see. Title is over. We already know that. So why have this hatred towards him, right? Let's get the points.
True. And it's always about scoring points.
I don't know why you guys have given up. I am still hopeful till the last kick is kicked, till the last whistle is blown.
If you ask me realistically, with Champions League and Premier League,
sure, I understand.
With this and without any centre backs, it is not possible to.
That is true.
Have a title challenge.
But I mean, hopefully we do well in Champions League. That's what I want at least.
You need at least one good centre back. Alongside Fabinho.
I think I don't know what they're thinking at the moment, but I'm pretty sure if they will not buy, they'll loan someone for half a season. Or
think if you ask me who should we get loan, I would say Diop, because he is out of favor and available, and he has Premier League experience. So and Diop is a fast defender.
Correct. Yeah.
So I really sound as well. So I think if you ask me whom would you try to bring him on long, I would say Diop.
Yeah.
I think we tried Reece Williams in an important game and it didn't work out. So I guess
I see Reece Williams is still super young, but I mean he played Champions League first, so I mean.
But you have to take in account that against which teams he played. Like I know it's the Champions League, but if you play against Michelin, that doesn't count, right?
No, but Atlanta is a good team.
Yeah, that is true.
I think Reece Williams was doing fine because he had enough protection from midfield. But yes, yesterday if you see without midfield protection, he looked quite vulnerable.
Also, I don't know why we were playing so high line even when the ball was in their half. What उन लोगों ने क्या किया? उन्होंने सारी बॉल ऊपर से डाली, like they all chipped it above the defenders' heads. Guess दोनों गोल ऐसे ही गए, मिलनर के सर के ऊपर से और Reece Williams could not clear.
But that was always going to be their plan.
Yeah,
should we get back to the questions?
Yes, please.
Yes.
हम लोग कल के गेम में.
So Next question is by Viraj, and he's asking.
नहीं एक सेकंड, इसमें थोड़ा ये एक और थोड़ा एक्सप्लोर कर लेते हैं.
Oh, sorry. Yeah, go ahead.
So if you, so what I would say कि फोर्डन, देखो फोर्डन, टोरेस और ये माहरेस,
Yeah.
ये तीन there are high chances they will be rotated.
All right.
But Sterling looks safest among all these.
Yeah, probably
If you
captain
want
as
to
well.
get us, sorry,
Probably captaincy in absence of De Bruyne or not.
I don't know whom they are keeping captain. I think if it is Sterling, I think he will play most of the matches because they need a
captain.
Hmm.
But I guess अगर उसको captain रखना, he might keep a defender captain. So I guess depending on which defender starts more, Ruben Diaz can also start captaining maybe because उस मतलब he's a solid defender. I am so surprised like City captured someone so good.
Yeah,
like, he's so good. I think again like that's a good thing to think, like look at. If City is keeping a new captain, then obviously that captain has to start, or if they keep rotating, then they keep rotating captains. Like we would have
I
to,
think Gundogan might also be the captain.
that is true.
So,
yeah, that is true. Yeah.
So I think if you personally, I would suggest don't invest much in a City attack because until now they haven't scored much.
Probably 2 or 3 game weeks just to see how the attack turns out, and then later sometime.
Yes, may see there are good 2 or 3 injuries now. मतलब रैशफोर्ड भी इंजर्ड हो गया, वार्डी भी इंजर्ड है, और this KDB is also injured, right? So you haven't got much options. तो बिना एक्सपेरिमेंट किए what I would suggest कि केन ले लो, because Kane and Son देंगे, स्टेबल रिटर्न दे रहे हैं, तो have them. वो फिक्सचर न्यूट्रल लोग हैं, रिटर्न देंगे. और सिटी में आप थोड़ा चीप इन्वेस्ट करो. गुंडोगन एंड फोर्डन आर गुड टू हैव, मतलब चीप प्लेयर्स है तो रिटर्न भी कवर हो जाएगा.
So to sum up, if you have Gundogan, Sterling, and Foden, what will your preference order be?
I think Gundogan 1, Foden 2, and Sterling 3.
Okay, that's a good way to wrap up this question. Should we move further, Meet?
Yes.
So Viraj has the next question. I assume he has his wild card active at the moment. He wants to know which players are must have in this week.
In this week or for the whole wild card, मतलब template case.
Let's assume it's for the whole season, I guess, because wild card एक ही बार मिलता है, so he wants to change his side, I guess.
I think अगर सीजन के हिसाब से देख रहे तो I would say कि at least one City defender.
Okay.
One Leicester defender as well, क्योंकि Leicester has also looked solid.
Fofana.
And keeper में if you Fofana or Justin.
Okay.
And keeper if you want, I think Ederson or Martinez. Martinez is making good amounts of saves even without clean sheet, and Aston Villa look good defensive. So I think Justin, Diaz, and maybe Martinez, ये 3 players तो you need to have in defense. उसके अलावा जो third center back या fourth center back, you can rotate between either, let's say, Dyer or Southampton defender. मतलब you can keep rotating, या West Ham defender ले लो. तो these मतलब 3 players आपके defensively settled होंगे, and fourth one you can maybe keep rotating. Midfield में देखें तो you need to have Bruno, Salah.
Okay.
And Son.
Yeah. Okay.
ये 3 आपके must-haves हो गए.
Yeah.
But अगर आप fourth अगर 4 प्लेयर से खेल रहे हो, मतलब 4 मिडफील्डर से, तो आई थिंक फोर्थ कैन बी योर आइदर ग्रिलिश और सिटी अटैकर. एंड अगर आप अप फ्रंट में, आई वुड स्टिल कीप बामफोर्ड एंड केन. अगर आपको चीप जाना है तो आई वुड से बामफोर्ड एंड इंग्स मे बी, बट कीप एन आई ऑन विलियन होजे ये
Wolves.
वुल्व्स ने लिया है.
हाँ, Real Sociedad से आया है वो, Brazilian.
हाँ, he is a good striker.
Yeah.
So I would keep an eye on him as well.
Like, yeah,
बाकी I think if you ask me must haves तो 7 players I would say कि must haves. Ruben Diaz, Justin, Martinez,
Okay.
फिर ब्रूनो साला, बामफर्ड नहीं, बामफर्ड मस्ट हैव नहीं बोलूंगा, ब्रूनो साला, सॉन.
Kane.
सो आई थिंक 7 हो गया.
Yeah.
बाकी fill in the blanks है,
Yeah,
बाकी
probably
चार तो
filling the gaps with, like, let's say someone like Thomas Suchek, or players like those.
but
हाँ, मतलब
but
डिपेंड्स कि अब अगर आप एंटोनियो ले रहे हो, बामफर्ड नहीं रख रहे हो,
हाँ,
then
वही.
you can have maybe Gundogan or Foden in as
Exactly.
a fifth defender.
but
But
it
I
just
think, yeah,
it just seems like we have good options like 7 players. I don't think ऐसा कभी season हुआ है जहाँ 7-8 players को हमने बोला है कि must have है.
But that,
Generally must haves is like 3 or 4, but
yeah.
yes, true.
इस
But that is the
season बहुत
problem,
सारे must have.
because that is the problem. If 7 players in each side are the same, then those 4 players have to make the difference for you if you want to climb up.
But कोई difference create कर नहीं रहा है ना. That's the whole point. Like there is no
हाँ.
player who's creating a differential.
मतलब
Probably last 2 game week में Stones and Antonio ने किया, but again like ऐसा कोई indication नहीं था कि they would do that well. If you had them by luck, you just got them. So
at least you need to cover your bases. मतलब at least तुम्हारे पास 7 है तो तुम पीछे नहीं जाओगे.
Correct. Yeah.
So the penultimate question, the second last question comes. I have not written the name. Sorry. If whoever's question it is, please let us know. And it's regarding Leicester City. They want to know if you should have Barnes or James Maddison.
Maddison.
I think personally, if you ask me, I would have Barnes because Maddison is injury prone.
Okay.
Yeah.
But Maddison is giving better returns as of now.
See, Maddison का कैसा है? He stands on free kicks, तो free kicks में goals आने के chances हैं. The only thing again, but Barnes plays more advanced than Maddison because Maddison plays behind a striker. So it's a difficult question. It again depends like who gives you most value return. Like Barnes 5 million या 6 million में कितना return and Maddison 7-8 में कितना दे रहा है, I guess.
I think Barnes का क्या है कि he is more of a goal scorer. Maddison is more of a playmaker and goal scorer. But Barnes का क्या है कि वो fitness issues नहीं.
वो भी है.
Maddison का क्या है 2 मैच खेल के he will have those fitness issues.
वो भी है.
So if you ask me, I would pick Barnes.
I guess I would go with Barnes. I would personally have gone with Maddison, but I didn't know that he has a poor injury record. So probably Barnes is a good option.
I mean, don't change now. Probably wait 1 game week and then after that you can change.
So the last question for our queries section, I think this is probably before Frank Lampard got sacked. So
even after the Frank Lampard, if there is no defensive midfielder in the Kante, and जो Chelsea के पास individuals है in center backs, I don't see them keeping clean sheet.
And even
because
so they even conceded goal against Luton Town in the FA Cup. So none of the defenders look sound. Like take Rudiger, Thiago Silva, Zuma, or Dan Christian. Probably they are a bit error prone. Thiago Silva is a bit aged, so you can't trust him always. You can't always trust him to perform at the level he used to.
I think what Meat said is very true. Like they don't have a out and out CDM which can protect their defense.
To protect the defense, right?
Also compounded by the fact that strikers are not scoring, so they have to have an attacking midfielder instead of a defensive midfielder, and they are open in center. Like it's very difficult for them. Let's say if their strikers keep scoring, then they can have a defensive midfielder. They would not have to have one extra man in the midfield, and it might help them. But
so
I don't think so. Chelsea defenders make sense. I mean, at least in the 18 games we have seen, we haven't seen any amazing performance from them, and doesn't make any sense to have them.
We used to have Chilwell when he was in good form prior to.
Yeah.
But वो पहले 6 weeks चला, 6 weeks
Their
के बाद
injury.
Yeah, probably.
And not even injury, like at that time someone was scoring, right? Like corner hota tha to Chilwell would assist Zuma or someone. Now they have stopped scoring also. They are not able to score goals, so assists nahi milenge Chilwell. It's as simple as that. So guess there is no reason for us to keep any Chelsea defenders unless next 2-3 game weeks mein kuch hame dikhe.
I think if they sign a good center back, then it changes the equation.
But again, another thing is they've signed Tuchel, who is very attack minded, who is more like wants to play some sort of counter pressing.
वो Tuchel वो 3 at the back भी कर सकता है.
Correct. And 3 at the back historically for Chelsea has worked always.
Exactly.
Like they whenever they switched from to 3 at the back, even at Jose's time or even Conte's time, they have had like upturn in their results. So let's see.
So just to sum up the queries section, the 6 questions, to give a brief about everything. Time to give up on Salah, the answer is no. Right time to invest in Man City defense over Man City attack. If you have a wild card active, then you should go for the 7 mentioned players. Can you just repeat the 7 mentioned players, guys?
Martinez, Justin, Diaz, Bruno, Son, Salah,
Kane.
नहीं 7 हो गए ना,
6 ही हुए.
6 ही हुए. I think I missed one defender for it.
Probably.
Maybe Kane or yes, Kane maybe.
Okay. The next question was best replacement for De Bruyne, and the priority order was Gundogan, Foden, and Sterling. Maddison or Barnes? The answer was Barnes. And can we trust the Chelsea defense? The answer was no. So should we wrap up our queries section here?
Yeah.
I think that's good to go.
All right. So we'll end our queries section here. We'll be doing our predictions in the next episode, which will be coming on to your screens later today. So stay tuned for that. Goodbye.
Bye everyone.